Hey guys, happy Saturday. I'm on this morning to share a Hobby Lobby haul that I did. It's not a huge haul because I'm really trying hard not to buy supplies that I already have. However, I do have to do some Christmas crafting this month because KS Crafts August release is more of a Christmas theme, and all my Christmas supplies are in bins outside in the garage, and it will take me a day or two to go through everything. So I figured it'd be easier just to buy a few things to have readily available so I can start crafting and using their awesome release that they have. I picked up this really cute, to me it reminds me of like a pumpkin spice latte or a pumpkin hot cocoa. It's supposed to light up. Let me see. I didn't want to take it apart because this is actually going to someone. Oh yeah, look at that. It lights up. I guess I should check if it works, right? Because I don't want to send something that doesn't work. That is so cute. I thought that'd be a really nice desk decoration. So that's really, really cute. I picked up these Creative Life foam candy canes. I'm pretty sure I have these in my stash, but these are really cute to have. They have it in a pink and white stripe and a red and white stripe. And this is a good accent piece to put on your die cuts. So say you're cutting out a snowman or a gingerbread, you can have this in their hand like they're holding the candy cane. I purchased these two trim bundles. My Hobby Lobby has been sold out of like the pastel colors. I bought the black and white for Halloween. So I was really happy to see that they had these. They were not on sale. I don't know if these go on sale. I don't think so. But this would be nice to add to some black and white trim for Pasteloween. I'm hosting my Baking Spirits Bright third annual swap, and this year it's a tag flip, and they need to have some trim or a tassel on the ring. And so I think I could use some of this to put on the ring. I thought these two bundles were really cute. All their bundles are different. I got these Creative Life acrylic gingerbreads. Super cute, and there's 20 pieces in each package. So again, for $2.50, that's not too bad. And they're a flat back, so that's really nice to attach to bows or embellishments. I also got these wood shapes, and it's a Merry Christmas sign and the poinsettia. Those are nice. I bought these embellishments here. I love the glitter flowers, and then I bought it in the matte red. These are just nice to have to pull out and add to projects really quick, so I don't have to go ahead and die cut flowers. I love the bows, so I got 2 packs of pink bows and red bows. And these are also good for other occasions. It's not just for Christmas crafting. So to have it 50% off, that's a really good deal. I probably should go back and get more, but I'm not sure if I have this in my stash, so I'm going to wait. I was so happy I finally got my hands on some 3x3 cards, and this is really cute. I love the colors. This is like the color theme I would use for Christmas. I don't really craft in traditional colors. I like the pastel and the pink, mint and red theme for Christmas. So this one is really cute. Last year, I didn't get my hands on any of the ones people were hauling. So this year I was lucky enough to get a set. I ended up getting the matching 6x6 paper pad. It matches the cards. And my thought was, I'm not going to send the cards unembellished, right? So I thought to buy the pad so I can make embellishments or die cuts to add to the cards. And since it matched, I figured that would be easier. I got these really cute gingerbread house ornaments. They are so cute and small. I love the colors. That's really nice. And I also got these gingerbreads. I think they have these every year. And I think it goes together. So in my Baking Spirits Bright group swap on Instagram, I play games like trivia games. And so a lot of this is going to be going for prizes. These are just a bunch of stickers that I got. This one is a shaker, super cute. I love the faces, the cute happy faces. I got a pack of red bows. These are foam. I'm pretty sure I have this in my stash as well, but just in case I need them, I bought 2 packs of these cute gingerbread stickers. These are really cute. This would be a nice insert if you're in my swap. It's 5 tags, and between each tag you need to add a handmade or store-bought item. Something like this would be really nice. These presents are really cute and they're dimensional. I love it. I love the colors. This would also match the cards, so that might be something I could use as well. I got some foam snowflakes. These are really cute. These are small stickers, nice for tiny embellishments. Look at all the designs, really cute. I got this felt deer, again thinking I might be able to put it on the 3x3 note cards. These would be really cute on rosettes too. Then I have this puffy sticker set, and this is so cute. I love the Santa and I love the Gingies. All the characters are just so cute. So I bought 4 because I'm going to keep 2, and 2 will go in a prize pack, again, for my Baking Spirits Bright participants. I just got more double-sided foam tape. I like using this. I bought these cold transfer stickers for the motel keychains. I'm in a Bridgerton swap with a crafty friend, and that's not something that I'm used to crafting, like that style. So I need to find my hotel keychains. They're somewhere, and if I can't find them, I'm gonna have to purchase them again. But I thought this would be nice for that shabby vintage or Victorian type of theme. I bought this pack of pony beads, and this is a really nice, I would say, Halloween set, because you have the black, the purple, blue. I'm not too sure, but I mean, blue can be incorporated with Halloween, right? Green, yellow, white, the hot pink, and the orange, if you can see it better like that. This is a really nice set. This garland here with little snowflakes, and I think I have a set of these, but these are really good to have to add to your projects, and also to make tassels or trim bundles. And then these are just some trims that I wanted to add to the black and white trim mix that I have, just to make it like a pastel-oween theme. This is a black and white bundle, so it just has black and white trim, and I just thought to maybe add some color to it. And that is my haul, guys. So like I said, not really big, just a few things that I'm going to be crafting with this month. Once I'm done with Halloween crafting, I will bring out all my Christmas crafts, and that's when my craft room is going to be a huge mess, worse than it already is. I want to thank you all for stopping by. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I'll be back soon with some Christmas projects. Bye.